everyone, Dr. Toula here, and welcome to Frog and Scorpion in the Living Room. This is the third part in the Frog and Scorpion Sit series, and it's also the third part in the Women Leadership course. The reason I've called it Frog and Scorpion in the Living Room is because it is a part of us that is still living inside of us, and family shadow self starts to develop, and the way that we feel about ourselves based on our family and how our family have, let's say, treated us, or the patterns that we've internalized as a child and then as an adolescent. Frog and Scorpion in the Living Room is the third book. If you have a read of the book and reflect on the exercises, think about how your family shadow self might play out in your everyday leadership roles today. For example, were you taught that you could lead others, or were you taught that you would never achieve a great deal, you weren't really capable? What was it that you internalized from the family around you? What was your role? What was your place? Were you sort of made to feel inadequate, or that you were never going to amount to a great deal? In which case, if you were sort of made to feel that way based on your family shadow self and family dynamics, then you might internalize the fact that you're not really in a position of leadership, and so, or you shouldn't be, and so imposter syndrome can creep in, things like that. So we will have certain negative thought patterns that are replaying, and so if we have conflict in the boardroom, i.e. inside of ourselves, but potentially in other areas of our life, then that's when our family shadow self might come out, and particularly complexes in our shadow. So that would be unresolved issues from your childhood or teenage years that you still haven't dealt with. And that will definitely affect other areas of your life, including your leadership capacity. So as part of doing psycho-spiritual leadership development, it's very important that you do go back and start to examine deeply what are the patterns, what are the frog and scorpion dynamics that are still playing a role in your leadership every day. So welcome to the third part, and I hope you enjoy this third part, but also if you understand that it is a very important aspect of our shadow self that we must explore, and then next time I will see you for Frog and Scorpion in the Dark Room, which is looking at addictions, and oftentimes addictions and our family shadow self come together. Okay, thank you.